Hi, I'm Catherine.
And I'm Jeff. Today we're going to be discussing two of my favorite ceiling products, the Silicone 1 All-Purpose and Silicone 2 Plus Window and Door.
Many of the specs we will discuss apply to both products, but a few of the key differences are Silicone 2 Plus Window and Door Sealant cures faster and adheres better to surfaces with high-end finishes. This is why today we will only be working with Silicone 2 Plus Window and Door Sealant. However, every step of this process can be repeated using Silicone 1 All-Purpose Sealant. The GE Silicone 2 Plus Window and Door Sealant is 100% silicone, freeze-proof and sun-proof, which means this product can withstand both cold and warm temperatures, and it is not affected by UV rays. It also has 30-minute rain-ready and tack-free time. This sealant can cure quickly and be exposed to water, which can allow you to complete your project without worrying about the weather.
GE Silicone 2 Plus Window and Door Sealant adheres to most ceramic, tile, metal, laminates, glass, porcelain, granite, wood, plastic, vinyl siding, drywall, plaster, concrete, bricks, and mortar. It has excellent adhesion to a variety of surfaces, including masonry, and will not blemish high-end surfaces.
Let's not forget to mention that it exceeds current ASTM C920 Class 25 specifications, and that's because it's permanently flexible, shrink-proof, and crack-proof.
The GE Silicone 2 Plus Window and Door Sealant offers 10-year product protection against stain-causing mold and mildew. Thank you for taking the time to learn about GE Silicone 2 Plus Window and Door Sealant. See you next time, and remember, GE branded sealants are the confident choice for your project needs.